In order to remove this search history like tem 127.0.0.1 or cmd from the run dialog box, for this we have to type in the search regedit to open the registry editor and select this hash key current user. If it is expanded like this, then you have to expand all this and select this hash key current user and type Ctrl plus F together and type here run mru and find. And here this is the folder name run mru. In this we have to select which you want to delete. So I want to delete this one, so select that is temp. So select this one, right click and click on delete. You can delete A, B, C, D, but don't delete default and MRU list. So remove whatever you want to remove from this A, B, C, D. Now let's check whether it works or not. So open the run. So temp is deleted.